over here in the lab doing some light fiberglass work. So what we're looking at here is part where a little bracket was screwed on here. See, there's little screw holes, and they didn't protect the screw holes, so it rotted all of this material composite around it down to the glass. So dig it out, clean it up a bit. Stay tuned for the next stage. So what I've done here is built a back brace for the layup of the front. I basically just took a paint stick, tape it off, jam some pieces in here to hold the base down nice and tight. Now it's ready. So what will I do now? Stay tuned for the next step. Alright, so I'm going to go over my prep. Load down this area, give it some depth so I can lay some glass, and then smooth out. Same thing up here. Built a bit of a bed so I can lay my cabosil fill, which is a mix of resin, chopped up bits of fiberglass, and cabosil to thicken it up and make it mud that I can stick in there, fill, and then lay glass on the top and let it in. Stay tuned for the process. So for this stage, what I've done is taking the resin, little bits of chopped up fiberglass, and some cabosil whipped up in mud that I can use to fill up my gap. Once this gets a little bit harder, then I can lay my glass on top of it. Stay tuned for that part. So here we go. A couple layers of chopped strand mat laid above the cabosil fill to get a nice solid bond with fiberglass. Now, wait for it to dry, come back, mow it down, fair, get ready for gel. And so this is the back side of the hatch lid, and laid up some 1708 chopped strand, a couple layers of that on the back, make sure you got a good solid bond, base and on the back. Now that both sides are bonded with fiberglass, we wait for it to dry. Lower this down, straighten it up, do a bit of body work, set it up for gel. Leveling complete. Now it's on to fair. All faired, it's super strict. Now, it's on to Gelcoat. Stay tuned for that part.